Quick video. Bought this tank probably about 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago, something like that. Never put any fish in it. I think I got it for like 30 bucks, something like that, something cheap, something real cheap. Back then I was really into the African cichlids. Man, I had 500 plus African cichlids. But so I got this tank, yeah, and it was also, you can see silicone in the corners coming out. But so this tank will not hold water, so all this silicone is gone right here. It's supposed to be in these cracks here. It's all gone. It's supposed to look like that, but it's all gone on this side. Some on this side's missing, up down there. Yeah. So basically in these corners here. So quick video. I'm finna re-silicone this tank. So first thing you gotta do is get the old silicone out. New silicone will not stick to old silicone. So just use a razor blade to get up under it, break it loose, or whatever way you can. But I use a razor blade. It's the easiest way to get it out. I've done this before to a tank that wasn't a fish tank. On my 40 gallon right there, it was for my snake. But I got rid of my snake, so I turned it to a fish aquarium. Took out all the old silicone and put new silicone in it. Holds water, fine. Used that tank for years. No leaks. But yeah, that's what we do. Just keep scraping till you get all that old silicone out. You gotta make sure you get it all. Can't leave none of these big pieces in here, or your tank will leak. Guaranteed, your tank will leak. All right, we'll be back. All right, after you get all the silicone out, you gotta tape it off to where you want the silicone in the corners and the cracks and the creases. Then you use this right here, GE all-purpose 100% silicone, weatherproof, permanently weatherproof. This stuff works. Then just put it in the creases. Take your finger with a glove, and then just spread it, spread it, spread it. And now we gotta let it dry. Let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. We'll be back then. All right, we're back 24 hours later. I think might be a little less than 24 hours, but good enough. Silicone is set in well. New beads is look a little messy. Took the tape off a little too late. But the bottom I'm not really worried about. The sides look good though. So we water testing it. Got a few gallons in there so far. No leaks so far on the bottom. No leaks. No leaks. That's a perfect bead. Look at that, boy. That's perfect, boy. No leaks. Boom. That's how you re-silicone a tank. Simple. No leaks.